Hello everyone, you are welcome to our English lesson. Today is our theme language. Okay, let's start our lesson.
Traditions and language. Here are some fascinating festivals that are fun to take part in at least once in your lifetime. La Tomatina takes place on the last Wednesday every August in the town of Buñol in Spain. Thousands of people from around the world join in the world's biggest food fight. More than 100 tons of tomatoes are thrown in the street. If you like amazing costumes, then the Omaha Powwow celebration is for you. This Native American festival takes place every autumn in Omaha, USA. Different tribes gather to sing and dance, socialize and enjoy local food. Another exciting celebration is Chinese New Year. It lasts 10 days and is the biggest holiday in the Chinese calendar. There are dragons, fireworks, symbolic clothing, flowers and decorations, and delicious food. The Roswell UFO Festival is held every year to remember the day when aliens visited Roswell in New Mexico. Some believe that in July 1947, an alien spacecraft crashed in the desert. But whether you believe in aliens or not, you can have fun dressing up as one. If you go to Australia, be sure to see the Sand Sculpting Festival. It's an extraordinary sight to see the talented sand sculptors create beautiful works in the sand. Nowruz is a big festival in Kazakhstan that celebrates the arrival of spring. People attend theatrical performances and special displays of horse riding. It's a great opportunity to experience real Kazakh food too. Which festival do you want to visit first?
Exercise 1. Listen and repeat. What are these words in your language?
Colorful, colorful. Artistic, artistic. Serious, serious. Disgusting, disgusting. Unusual, unusual. Exciting, exciting. Weird, weird.
Use the words to make sentences about the festivals in the pictures. For example, picture 1. La Tomatina seems to be a colorful and unusual festival. Exercise 2. Listen and match the descriptions A to F to the pictures 1 to 6.
A. An annual festival that begins on the first new moon in late January or early February. This festival is fun for everyone, with firecrackers, lion dances and street parades. Young children receive envelopes containing money, and friends and family meet to enjoy special dishes, which include long noodles, a food that brings good luck. B. Looking for fun? Come to the land down under to enjoy the sun, the sand and the sea. Watch as artists work to make beautiful sculptures out of tons and tons of sand. The festival lasts for 3 months, so come for a weekend, or come for the whole summer. C. Messy, but very good fun. This festival takes place every year on the last Wednesday of August. Tourists and locals alike take to the streets where for 1 hour they take part in a strange fight with tons of tomatoes. D. If you're looking for a celebration that is simply out of this world, this is one that you cannot miss. The festival lasts for 4 fun-filled days every year in July. Why not get dressed up and participate in the alien costume competition? Even if you don't win, it's sure to be a blast.
E.
A celebration that is enjoyed throughout Kazakhstan. It lasts for 3 days and celebrates the coming of spring. People clean their houses, decorate with flowers, and spend time with family and friends. F. A festival that can be enjoyed by both Native Americans and non-Native Americans. People come together to sing, dance, and honor Native American culture. During the festival, there is usually a competition where the prize goes to the best dancers. These festivals can last for a day or sometimes even a week.
The lesson is over. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.